Morning, Top Gun here, Friday, August 23rd, 4:20 a.m. on the West Coast. This is the pre-market commentary. Okay, so we're setting up for a really interesting day today. Let's start with what happened yesterday. So the market had been rallying really hard for about 13 days after a nasty correction, and it opened up yesterday on Thursday as well, and then it rolled over and closed at the lows, and it created a number of bearish engulfing candles. This is where the high of the day was above the previous day's high, and the low, and as well as the close, was below the previous day's low. So everybody that bought yesterday is underwater, and so it's a bigger range than we've seen in the last few sessions, and it was all selling. And so it creates kind of a short-term bearish setup heading into Powell, Fed Chair Jerome Powell's much anticipated speech at Jackson Hole this morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where people are looking for clues. The Fed is transitioning to cutting rates after raising them for a long time and holding them steady at 5.25%. to 5.5% now for a while. They're going to almost certainly cut on September 18th, most likely 25 basis points, but there's a 0.25% probability according to the Fed futures that they'll cut 50 basis points. Traders and investors are really curious about if it's going to be 25 or 50. Powell's probably going to just avoid that question because there's a jobs report out in early September before that he's going to want to see before they make that decision. So I don't think bulls are going to get anything that's going to suggest a 50-point rate hike and rate cut, and I have a suspicion that this could be a sell the news event. There's a lot of the futures are up, and there's a lot of hope that this is going to provide some catalyst for a higher. But I think it might be a sell the news event.